We have a power that comes from persistence to focus on details and persist unswervingly. We have a power that drives from belief to build a world-class enterprise and create a century-old brand. The power is inspiring. The power is endless. Jinan Sunward Machinery Co Limited has been committed to operational excellence and efficiency since its beginning. Sunward Machinery, a high-tech enterprise founded in 2009 and located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China, focuses on research and development, production, sales, and service of extruded food and feed machinery. We bring together the industry-renowned engineering and technical personnel, first-class business transactions, management teams, and high-quality installation technicians. With a number of subsidiaries, high-standard production and assembly bases, and modern sheet metal processing plants, we provide full support and solid guarantee for the enterprise's large-scale production, product quality, and leapfrog development. Sunward Machinery has been deeply ingrained in the industry for more than 10 years. With an enterprising spirit, we keenly seize the market demand and keep pace with the times to move towards the forefront of technology and service. Moreover, we build a market landscape based in Shandong, radiating across the country and influencing the world. Sunward Machinery provides excellent extruded food and feed machinery solutions for numerous customers. As the backbone of the industry and the global top extruded food machinery manufacturer, we make great strides on the grand journey and dream of the future. For excellent machinery, start with research and development and innovation. Sunward has always emphasized the machinery quality. Sunward boasts complete computer design software, testing and analysis equipment, and intermediate test conditions. We cooperate with Fujian Agricultural University, Jinan Food College, and other colleges and universities. Adhering to science and technology innovation, we adopt new technologies, processes, and materials to enhance the technological content and competitive advantage of our products. From research and development to production, from procurement to warehousing, from testing to delivery, Sunward people stick to product quality, standardized operation in each process, and continuous improvement to ensure superior product performance and pursue zero-defect products, with extraordinary quality for brand development into endless power. Sunward products include snack food machinery, nutritious food machinery, food products machinery, pet food machinery, fish feed machinery, and other machinery. Our high performance and low loss products have been obtained the ISO 9001, EU, CE, SGS, dozens of utility patents, and many other certificates, sold all over the country, and exported to the United States, Germany, Japan, and other more than 100 countries and regions. We help our customers to reduce their comprehensive costs and improve their corporate efficiency. Our products are highly favored by customers worldwide, bringing China creation to a new level. We are dedicated to build the world-class national brand of extruded food machinery. Product sales are only beginning, and services are also critical. At Sunward, we offer endless service and satisfaction. Sunward people always keep in mind to create value for customers and win reputation for enterprises. Sunward people provide 24-hour service to solve issues raised by customers. We will let every partner rest assured and live up to the trust of every customer. Culture creates enterprise morality and enables enterprise soul. Developing corporate culture, mastering cutting-edge technology, enhancing cooperation awareness, and improving win-win concept are Sunward's enterprise policies. Putting people first and developing enterprises with intelligent technology are Sunward's enterprise philosophy. Sunward constantly improves the management regulations and cultural system, and regularly holds skills training, cultural activities, etc., to achieve the development of all kinds of talents and enterprise. At Sunward, everyone with light in the eyes and love in the heart shares will and woe. This also enables Sunward unlimited development power. From 0 to 1, from small to large, from home to abroad, Sunward is always on the way, step by step, and strides forward singing militant songs.
公司的发展离不开每一位客户的支持，感恩在心，诚信相守，继续努力，一定用更优质的产品和服务回报大家的信赖，和大家共赢成功和辉煌。
Yesterday, a striving faith is inherited at Sunward. Today, a vigorous vitality is radiated at Sunward. Future, a national brand is strengthened at Sunward. Long as the journey is, we will reach our destination if we stay the course. Difficult as the task is, we will get the job done if we keep working at it. As the customer-centric enterprise, Sunward will always focus on scientific and technological innovation and adhere to quality and integrity based on the strong foundation. Sunward will firmly move toward a more brilliant tomorrow and make China's mature high-end puffed food equipment world-known and recognized by international users. We are on the way and never stop. We are on the way and become more excellent with you.